or it ends with particular words or characters, or finding the index of a particular word inside the string, finding the index of a particular substring in the main string in the reverse order. So pretty much again basic stuff, searching a particular string. Let us take a string str1 is equal to I love Java and Selenium. And what we're going to do is we're going to check whether a particular substring Java is present in this main string. Let's take the string 2 is equal to Java. Now to check whether my substring is present in the main string, all we need to do is use an operation called as str1 dot contains str2. If string 2 is present in the main string, it will say true. If it does, and when we run the program, it is going to say true. Now what if we change the case? In this case, the Java has the J in uppercase. If I change the case for J to a snake case and run the program again, it is going to say false. So contains is a case sensitive container. In this case, let me check the case also. So the Java with all small letters will not match Java with the J capital. And in this case, we do not even have a contains ignore case kind of method, like we have, in the last session we saw equals ignore case, compare to ignore case. Likewise, we do not have any such method that is contains ignore case. But say if you want to use it to ignore the cases, what you can do is you can convert both the strings to main and string, either to uppercase or to lowercase, and check it. So in this case, if I want to make case non-sensitive kind of comparison, I will do string1 dot to lowercase and also string2 dot to lowercase. So what will happen before checking the contents? It will convert both of them to lowercase and then compare. So in this case, we will get a true for the contains operation. So this is just a workaround to make an ignore case contains. Second method is to check whether a string starts with particular words or characters. In this case, if I want to check whether the string starts with I, all I need to do is to say str1 dot starts with, and then provide your substring over here, provide characters, whatever. And if it starts, it's going to say true. If it does not start, it will say false. The third method is ends with, whether the string ends with a particular substring or a word or character. To check that, very simply, as you can imagine, we will use str1 dot ends with and then provide your. So in this case, if I say str1 ends with Selenium, which it ends in this case, it is going to say true. If it does not, if I say Selenium 1, for example, and do it again, it is going to say false. So checking the string, whether the substring is part of main string, contains method, checking whether string starts with some substring, it is starts with, and checking whether string ends with some substring, it is ends with, as simple as that. But apart from this, we have two again important methods, that is EndWith and lastindexof. Now, as we discussed in the previous sessions, every character in the string has one index associated with that. So the first character has the index 0 and then 1 and 2 and so on. If I want to find the index of a particular character on the word, we can use index of operation. When I say the index of a particular word, for example, I want to find the index of the word love, then it will return me the index of the first letter, first character of that particular word, that is 0, 1 and 2. If I want to get the index of Java, then it is going to return me the position of the J character. So if we try to show the output in the console, we will do something like str1 dot index of, and let's write the word save. That's my substring love. and when we run the program we will get the output as 2, which is the index of the letter L over here. Now what if we have multiple occurrences of love, multiple occurrences of the substring in the main string? Let us say we have another love over here, for example, and when we run it we still get 2. So what it is doing, index of always returns the first occurrence of substring in the main string. The first occurrence, it will forget the other occurrences. Always returns the first occurrence of substring in the main string. Now in this case we have multiple occurrences, and if you want to get the position of second occurrence, then we have some modification to this method that is called as index of, by using the from index. So we are still going to find love in the string, but in this case we are going to set the start position. By default the start position for search is 0th position from the beginning of the string, but if we say that start searching from the position this particular position, say it's like 2 and then 3 4 5 6, if I say start searching from the 6th position in the string, then obviously when it starts from this position the first occurrence that it is going to get is this one, so it will return the position of this L over here. So when you run this program again second time, you get the output as 12, which is nothing but the position of this substring over here. Okay, so index of and index of with the start index. If you do not provide the start index, by default the start index will be taken as 0th position. And last index of. Now we understood that index of searches the string for the substring in the normal order. But if you want to make a search in the reverse order, we can use last index of. So in this case, if I do something like str1 dot last index of the substring love, then by default we know the last occurrence of love is this one, and we know the position is 12. So while it is searching from the reverse order, the first occurrence it gets is this one, and it will still return the position of this L over here, that is 12. So this 12 over here. So last index of searches for the substring in the reverse order, and then whatever occurrence it gets, it will return the position of its first character, that is L in this case, that is 12. Simple. We'll do examples with this in the upcoming sessions, and that will make these concepts more clear. Very basic, very important concepts from testing standpoint.